Si Mariki po ay isang community ng Samabangi. Ang aming ninuno po nakatira dito since hindi pa dumating ang Kastila. Nandito na po sila. Masaya kami dito, nahirahan. Dito ang livelihood namin, sewage farming, fishing. So pag wala kaming problema dito, nabubuhay kami ng tahimik since noon pa.
Matakot kami. Pupunta dito ang Manila, hindi namin alam.
125 houses ang nasunog dito. Katapos ng gera, ang mga tao dito napunta sa yun tinatawag nilang evacuation center. Meron sa Grandstand, meron sa Taluksangay, meron din sa Masepla. Sa tagal ng pagka-stay namin doon, gusto na namin magbalik pero hindi kami pinapayagan ng gobyerno. Kasi sabi nila, may problema doon sa inyo. Pinagpatuloy namin ang laban namin. 18 months bago kami pinayagan bumalik. At ang kondisyon, temporary. Until such time na mayroon kaming maipakita yung tungkol sa aming ancestral domain.
This is an ancestral domain, you know. We were able to witness the cemetery, that it is the proof to me that the community has been here for centuries. So the important thing is how the community, little by little, it is coming back and restoring the history and their own community.
Buti na lang, na-meet namin si Father Calvo. Siya po ang unang-una NGO na tumulong sa amin. Nagbigay nitong bahay na ito, 50 houses.
At the beginning, it was difficult to recognize that the little experience that they have.
Kaya nga, naglakas loob ako na itayo namin to para naman sa amin lahat. Para makatulong din ako sa mga kapwa ko taga rito.
But it proved to be excellent to us, you know, very fast. Even during the time of Ramadan, the people were working, and in a matter of 3 months, they were able to complete the 50 houses.
Kung tutuusin, hindi man umabot ng 3 buwan. Kasi may problema ako sa lagitnaan na gano'n. Pero umabot siya ng 3 buwan talaga. Hindi na lumampas.
That is another little miracle for us because usually we sign a contract with an engineer, but it originally was they only ask for the materials and they will rebuild their own houses.
Sa amin naman, ayaw namin ng gulo, kailangan namin magkaisa palagi kasi sa sinasabi namin sa magmahalan tayo at walang titiwalag na kahit sino man.
The mayor and the authorities that at the beginning they declared this land no return land. They admire really how the community with their own efforts are able to come back and rebuild their own houses.
Mas masarap ngayon kasi yung bahay namin pare-pareho ng forma. Wala nang mahirap, walang mayaman, nandyan pare-pareho ang forma.
We have been only 50 houses and we are waiting for the other 75 houses. You know, the whole community is composed of they have identified 125 members, but we are looking for another help to continue building the remaining 75 houses to complete the community.